Hey, thank you, thank you. This video is to let you know how much I appreciate you. Both Smash and I are very thankful for our audience. If you haven't met Smash, he is my rescue education Eastern box turtle. Poor Smash has a couple of issues. He's blind in one eye, has a broken beak, and he has some mobility issues, so he was non-releasable. So pretty exciting. I reached 1,000 subscribers this past week. Right now it's sitting at 1,032, and I have 3,010 watch hours. So I have to reach 4,000 watch hours to get monetized. So not too much, less than 100 watch hours to go. And so I'm pretty excited. Welcome. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Amy. I'm not usually in the videos because I tend to blabble too much, and it makes editing a nightmare for me anyway. And so I make videos about organic gardening, wildlife conservation, wildlife rehabilitation, environmental education. Those are all things I have a lot of life experience and education in. Sometimes I make videos on homesteading and off-grid living. I did live off-grid for 29 years. So Fox Run is a 501c3 nonprofit. And besides doing the videos are actually a pretty new thing for me. Besides doing the video, there are lots of articles on the website in the same topics: gardening, wildlife, environmental education. And I also teach classes. I do programs online. I just last weekend did a presentation at a wildlife rehabilitation conference. I also teach classes locally, and I volunteer and do things with scouts and community education programs and that kind of thing. And I also write books. I used to have a rehabilitation facility, and I did that. I had that for about 12 years, and I'm not doing that anymore. Now I'm putting my energy more into helping other rehabilitators by volunteering and by helping to raise money and to provide education. So I'm excited about the channel getting monetized. I know it's just going to be a little bit of a trickle, but when you're a nonprofit, everything counts. And so one of the things that money from this channel will go into is helping to support wildlife rehabilitators. Wildlife rehabilitators do not get government monies or local monies like domestic animal rescues do. So wildlife rescues have to raise funds and are more dependent on donations, and they're less likely to get grants. So a lot of grants for animal rescue will state very specifically, dogs and cats or horses, and they are usually not open to wildlife. So that's an issue. We also try to support community gardens and children's gardens, and I've worked with the local school district on building children's gardens and children's gardening awareness. And so, and I guess the other thing that money from this channel will go into is just trying to make it better, work more with editing and software tools to make and create better videos. So this was the one of the first books I put on Amazon. It is my gardening self-sufficiency book. I will tell you one thing I don't like about it is that the font is kind of small, and now I make sure I don't make that mistake anymore because my granny eyes like need big font. So wildlife rehabilitation, this is probably my most popular book. There is another volume in this series, which is about wildlife diseases. And so this one does have bigger font. So I have recently started making children's activity books, which I'm pretty excited about. There's a little bit of a learning process there, but so I'm trying to make my books both fun and educational, so they have information as well as some fun activities for the kids. And I don't even have a copy of my Halloween one because I ordered some author copies and then I gave them away. But I have one out for Halloween for October, a kids activity book. All right, so for the book giveaway, there will be 2 winners, and I have 7 books on Amazon, so you can, just let me know which one of those books you want and what format you want it in. Some of the books are both ebooks and paperback. Some are one of the others, and for instance, the children's activity books are consumable, so they're only available in paperback. All right, so contests have lots of rules, and they're all in the description box below. The contest is open to everyone, provided you're in a valid country to participate. You do need to be a subscriber of the channel, and you need to leave a comment. And comment needs to, well, you can leave anything comment, but the comment does need to answer 2 questions, and that is, what book would you like? And let me know if you prefer gardening or wildlife videos, just because I'm curious and I do a lot of comparing, kind of different topics in the videos versus like the articles on the blog, and I kind of get very engrossed in the data. For international followers, you must be able to access Amazon.com, not one of all the other Amazons. Lastly, I've been getting tons of like very salesy kind of spammy things, people telling me how, they can make me better, which they probably don't understand how hard that would be. But I've been getting a lot of spam. And so if you see spam, please let me know. Also, just, I delete and report all spammers. So, if you're just trying to say the same thing that 10 people before you have said, just go away. So again, thank you. I appreciate you, and making videos on YouTube or for YouTube has been a lot of fun. It is, not in my comfort zone, and so it's, been some work, just trying to speak and enunciate and, get the message from the brain to come out the mouth properly. So anyway, I thank you and bless you, and I hope that you are having a fabulous week, and I will see you in the next video.